Hello, I'm Charlie Miedema.
And I'm Jackson Oizel.
Today we'll be dissecting the frog.
To dissect a frog, you need to remove the tongue, eyelenses, liver, gallbladder, heart, lungs, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, spleen, fat bodies, gonads, testes or ovaries and eggs, kidneys, and brains.
To dissect a frog safely, you will need a pair of rubber gloves and eye protection, such as safety goggles, or if you have your glasses, those will work.
First, you need to break the frog's arms. You need to push them really hard. You'll hear a crack when they're broken.
This is what it should look like once you have broken the arms off.
To get the tongue out of the frog, you need to pry open the frog's mouth, and with your other partner will cut the tongue out. The tongue is attached to the front of the mouth. You stick your scissors in there, you just pry it up. And Charlie will just cut the tongue off. It'll take a couple of snips once you get it. That is what the tongue is supposed to look like.
Also, the frog's tongue is actually 10 times softer than a normal human tongue.
Okay, so next, your frog will be cut a little bit. You want to cut this excess skin off so you can get into the frog. When you're cutting this excess skin off, be sure to not puncture the skin or the muscle just yet. You would want to cut the excess skin all the way up to the chin. Once you've got to the chin, cut off this excess skin also. Don't be afraid to use your hands and just rip the skin off if it's having trouble cutting.
Once you got through the skin, you should see a blue line right down the middle of the muscle.
You want to make the same incision through the muscle so you can reveal the inside of the frog.
Once you've cut off all the muscle, you should see that on the inside.
Okay, so there's a black thing on the inside, and it's covering up most of the chest. That is the liver. You want to remove the liver. By removing the liver, you just want to pull up on it, just so you can look under it first. And then under the liver, there should be like a green pea-like thing. That is the gallbladder.
After you've gotten the liver out, there should be a pink scale in the top on the middle.
This is the heart attached to the liver. The liver is kind of big, so it's the big black part covering the chest, like I already said.
And you will want to cut out the heart from the liver and put those on your part sheet.
The picture we just showed you, the small pea-like thing, is the gallbladder. The gallbladder is under the liver, and it produces liquid. It produces the liquid that breaks down your food, and so that the frog can eat. These pink things on the side of where the heart was, these are the lungs. The lungs help the frog breathe, and you need them to survive. So to get the stomach out of the body, you cut this big tube at the top. It's a little hard to cut. Okay, once you've got it out, you want to clip all these veins so you could get the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine to come with it. And these right here, these are the fat bodies. Okay, once you have the stomach is this big, thick tube-like thing. Connected to it right here, this long line, that's a small intestine. And this little thing on the end, which is grayish, is the large intestine. So the point of cutting it all at the same time, so it's easier to cut them individually. So you cut about right here, so you can get the large intestine. And right here at the bottom of the stomach, so you can get the small. And then you can have them all in 3 pieces.
Once you cut those off, you should also put those on your part sheet.
For a closer look, here is the stomach. It's like a ringish hook thing. And here is the large intestine. Oh, it's like a big grayish sac almost. And here is a small intestine. This all helps to digest food.
Back to the heart. The frog only has 3 chambers in its heart compared to the human's 4.
These are the fat bodies. The fat bodies are attached to the side of the frog. Once you have the fat bodies out, you should be able to see the spleen. The spleen is a small, like, reddish brown, sometimes blue, close to the veins thing that's attached to the fat bodies.
Cut these out and add them to your part sheet.
Okay, so this dark, like, bean thing, there's 2 of them, and they're the kidneys. On the side of the kidneys, there are ovaries. So that means it's a girl. If you had a boy, there would be 2 balls right here, and those are testes. To cut out the kidneys and ovaries, you have to stick your scissors under them and kind of like wiggle them around and like cut the skin. And after you did that, you can kind of use the tweezers and just kind of pull them out. As you can see, there's 2 kidneys attached. This little squiggly line on the side is our ovaries. That means this is a female frog. Next, we try to get the eye lenses out. Right now, this is not working too well, but you have to stab this thing into the eye and pop a little clear ball out. Like I said, it's not working too well right now, but it should work with yours because this one is not working. To get the brain out, you cut away the skin and flesh like we did now. And you have to get your scissors into the brain cavity. And then it's really hard to take the brain out, so it's probably not going to work right now. But it's really fragile and hard to get out. As you can see, here's the brain a little bit. You can see the brain a little bit. But that's what it's supposed to look like. Going back to the lungs, the lungs are located in the back of the chest cavity. Spleen is located on the right side of the frog's body below the heart.